Once in a lifetime, a complete miracle happens. Something strikes you out of the blue that changes everything. Discovering this simple cure for stubborn snoring and horrendous sleep apnea was one of those miracles. Because not only did it change everything for my wife and me, it has since helped thousands of people all over the world. And it happened on a day I least expected, as I'll explain in a second. Most amazingly, the stop snoring exercises I'm about to teach you work immediately. Use them for 3 to 7 minutes today, and you could be completely healed as soon as tonight. I guarantee, within a week from now, you'll never snore again. Are effortless because your snoring happens in the delicate breathing passages. Loosening up and opening these parts takes no physical effort. Unlike doing deadlifts in the gym, it is more like chewing on a great meal, so everyone can do these snoring exercises no matter age or physical shape. In fact, you can mindlessly do the exercises anywhere, anytime, while stuck in traffic, surfing the net, watching TV, or wherever suits you. Cure even the worst cases of snoring and sleep apnea. I'm my best testimonial, as you'll learn in a second, but thousands of people all over the world have already succeeded in curing their snoring. I'll also share their stories later if you like. And because the exercises are so easy and take so little time, you'll stick to them and not give up. Plus, when you experience such immediate results, you'll be extremely motivated to keep on going. Now I have a question for you. What feeling would you associate the most with snoring? Irritation, shame, anger, sadness? Others, or all of those combined? For me, it was shame. Ever since I was a kid, I was plagued and embarrassed by my snoring. I remember going on a ski trip and keeping my friends awake at night. After the first night, I had to room alone because nobody could stand sleeping around me. And how much fun they made of me. Nowadays, it would be called bullying. Sound familiar? I couldn't do sleepovers, and throughout the years, I was even afraid to spend the night with girlfriends because I knew they would never put up with my snoring. After I got married, I became really desperate about my problem. It was actually our problem now. Even worse, my wife was terrified when she witnessed how I stopped breathing in my sleep, only to gasp for air like I was drowning half a minute later. This happened several times a night. Years passed before I learned this was a potentially deadly condition called sleep apnea. I knew something had to change, right now. I read every book, article, and forum post there was about snoring. Plus, watching so many online videos, my eyes turned red. I subscribed to hundreds of paid medical journals to be able to read the official studies on snoring and sleep apnea. I consulted numerous doctors, therapists, and other snoring medical professionals. Simply put, I was becoming nothing short of an expert on the subject. One important thing I learned was that there are many types of snoring, and only a small percentage could be solved by each solution. That's why there are so many snoring solutions to choose from, because each person's snoring is different. And believe me, I tried it all. Sprays, creams, pills, and straps. I even wore those ridiculous devices sold online to put in your mouth and on your head. I even considered surgery. But I later learned, despite the huge cost, snoring surgery rarely works in the long haul. Even worse, operations like these can cause serious damage, even brain damage. Putting it simply, I tested every Eastern and Western snoring medicine that I can find, but nothing worked for my incurable snoring. In fact, it was getting worse. So I kept on waking up my wife several times a night with my snoring, keeping her up for hours. Needless to say, this was becoming a real wedge between us and was hurting our relationship severely. We fought about everything and held a grudge toward each other, especially in the morning. Frankly, our marriage was on the edge. If we didn't have a young daughter, we probably would have separated. Eventually, we found ourselves leaving the bedroom and taking turns sleeping on the couch. I felt ashamed and frustrated. She was sad and disappointed. Then, one day, the miracle happened. Trying to lift our spirits, we took a family trip to Australia. We had a beautiful 2-bedroom apartment with a sea view over Perth's magical white beaches. The mother and daughter shared one bedroom, and I had the other. It was better that way. One morning, I was explaining to my wife what I had been studying. how snoring is always caused by some kind of block in the breathing passages, and that any cure was aimed at removing that particular block. All of a sudden, she looked at me and said, "This is what I work on with my students all the time." My jaw dropped. I couldn't believe what I was hearing. You see, my wife used to be a classical singer, but turned to teaching a few years ago. She explained to me that, if you are going to sing well, everything in and around the breathing passage has to be open and strong. That's exactly what she trained her students to do every day. Side note, just so you know, you can do the snoring exercises in complete silence. You don't have to do any singing. I was shocked. Completely by accident, the woman I had been married to for 5 years held the key to solving the problem that had been holding our marriage hostage for so long. That day, my wife taught me the exercises she had been using with her students for years. Within a week, I slept a whole night without snoring for the first time in decades. And after just 3 weeks of training, I completely cured my snoring permanently, meaning I have never snored again. And those dreadful episodes of sleep apnea were also gone. But then the disappointment hit. Since I know how embarrassing snoring is and how great a toll it takes on relationships, I started preaching the exercises to literally everyone. Like a crazy person, I asked strangers if they had problems with snoring. And if they did, I insisted on teaching them the exercises I had been using. It's not, however, so far-fetched to ask strangers about their snoring problem. Why? Because snoring is one of the most common reasons for couples fighting. Here are some scary numbers about snoring. 30% of women and 50% of men snore. Nearly 1/3 of those who snore also suffer sleep apnea, a potentially deadly condition, and often without knowing it. Snoring and sleep apnea limit your breathing and, therefore, the amount of oxygen you take in during the night. This often leads to fatal conditions such as stroke or heart attack, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, and other dementia, fatigue and tiredness during the day. Plus, sleep apnea is also the leading cause of obesity. And unbelievably, snoring can even lead to hearing loss of both the snorer and their partner due to the loud noise throughout the night. But to snore is not the most dangerous thing. About 50% of people have a partner who snores. This means that snoring affects almost everyone in one way or another. And having someone keep you up every night with their loud snoring is even more serious than snoring yourself. Lack of good quality sleep causes many of the same symptoms as snoring does, but much more drastically. It leads to even deadlier conditions such as high blood pressure, heart attack and stroke, fatigue and tiredness, dementia and other memory loss, obesity, and early death. Plus, it causes you to underperform like a zombie throughout the day. Over 100,000 car and home accidents every year are blamed on sleep deprivation. Thousands of people die every year because their partner kept them up with their snoring. But most seriously, it robs you of the joy of life because you're just not yourself. People make jokes about snoring, but you see, snoring is not any laughing matter. It's not some annoyance that can be brushed under the carpet. If you snore or your partner snores, you're putting each other in a life-threatening situation. You may possibly be causing each other an early death. That's why I was so fanatical about sharing the snoring solution I found with everyone. But unfortunately, the simple voice exercises didn't help everyone. Just like nasal sprays and jaw straps only work for specific types of snoring, so seemed to be the case with simple voice exercises. So I went on a mission to find a solution that helps everyone's snoring and sleep apnea. I was in an ideal position to work this out, since I had been studying snoring for years. I changed the exercises to focus on particular problem areas. I found out exactly what worked and what didn't work when it comes to opening up the throat and removing other blocks that cause people to snore. And I also discovered ways to do the voice exercises without having to make a single tone. So don't worry if you don't like to sing. The exercises are completely silent. Since I had spoken about this with so many people, I had literally hundreds of people willing to beta test the new exercises. They gave me feedback on what worked for their particular type of snoring. I then used that to improve those exercises and identify different problem areas. What's more, I discovered 5 types of snoring and how to diagnose and treat each. You see, snoring is always caused by something partly blocking and narrowing your breathing passages, throat, nasal passages, mouth. Then, the soft tissues in your breathing passages flap in the airflow, like trash blowing down tight alleys, making the loud noise. But what blocks the breathing passages differs from person to person. So, here are the 5 things that block the airflow, causing the 5 types of snoring. You may have more than one of these types. 1. Throat clamping down, often associated with sleep apnea. 2. Tongue falling into the throat while sleeping. 3. Narrow nasal passages or congestion blocking the airflow. 4. Tension in the jaw narrowing the air passages, more common than you'd think. 5. The soft palate is too weak or unusually big. This is one of the most common diagnoses for completely unnecessary snoring surgeries. That's why different things work for different people. Nasal strips will do no good if your snoring is caused by weak tongue muscles. And a soft palate surgery won't help if your throat is to blame. All these magical cures for snoring you see advertised online and TV take on one of these issues at best. That's why they don't work for most people. And that's why they failed at curing your snoring before. Plus, if they do work for a while, you'll have to keep on using them for the rest of your life. They're not cures, only temporary bandages. And who wants to have to sleep with a nose tape or jaw strap every night for the rest of their life? Not to mention if you need a CPAP machine for sleep apnea. I, however, have developed 24 stop snoring exercises that each focus on a specific issue, and they will permanently cure your snoring and sleep apnea. And the exercises work fast. Whereas it took me 3 weeks to permanently cure my snoring, most people using my new improved snoring exercises achieved the same thing within a week, and often the very first night. Here's what Pauline shared with me after her husband avoided surgery by using the stop snoring and sleep apnea exercises. I'd been threatening my snoring husband of 23 years with laser surgery, something neither of us wanted to risk, when a friend told us about your stop snoring exercises. Needless to say, I rushed online and got a copy. The exercises do work. They are safe, simple to practice, and proved very effective. Pauline E., Norway. So, here is how you'll permanently cure your snoring in 3 steps. Step 1. Understand exactly what causes your snoring. It's very easy to find out. I'll give you a few simple questions to diagnose exactly what type of snoring you have. For example, do you snore even when you sleep with your mouth closed? Your partner may need to answer this. If the answer is yes, then more likely than not, your nasal passages are to blame. We'll do a few follow-up questions to diagnose this for sure. And I'll give you specific exercises focused on opening up the nasal passages. Step number 2. Learn the exercises tailored exactly to your type of snoring. I'll recommend 3 to 4 exercises based on your type of snoring: throat, tongue, nasal passages, jaw, or soft palate. Each exercise takes about a minute or 2 to do, so you'll have to put aside 3 to 5 minutes per day to completely cure your snoring. Today, you should put aside an extra 5 minutes to learn the exercises for the first time. I explain them in simple language, and the directions are well illustrated, so they're very easy to learn. Plus, you can also follow along on the audio directions I give you, just to make things even easier. Best of all, you can perform the exercises anywhere, anytime, even while stuck in traffic or watching TV. After a few days, they'll become completely automatic. So, doing the exercises really doesn't take time from anything else. And yes, I recommend you keep on doing the exercises for a few days, even if your snoring is completely cured on the very first night. This is just to make sure it doesn't reappear. Step number 3. Learn the most powerful sleeping positions to prevent snoring. This step is optional. You see, curing your snoring is all about opening up the breathing passages so they're not blocked by anything. Because some people take up to a week to cure their snoring, I use my understanding of the subject to develop sleeping positions that work the very first night, even before you begin using the exercises. These positions also guarantee you never have to snore again. Even in the extremely rare instances the exercises don't help or take a long time to work. Again, this is very rare, but I'm a perfectionist and want to make sure you're 100% happy. In one sleeping position, you can lie on your back. The other, you sleep on your side. It all depends on what you like. Altogether, this is the most powerful system I know to completely cure snoring, literally overnight. Okay, let's pause a little and allow me to take a wild guess. You're tempted to try the exercises. It makes sense to you that strengthening and loosening up the breathing passages is more effective than invasive surgery or uncomfortable devices. But still, there is this little nagging voice in the back of your head telling you this may not work. Maybe even that this is all just a sham to get your money. Well, first of all, notice that Blue Heron Health News publishes the Stop Snoring Exercises program. They're the leading publishing company in alternative health information, and they have a great reputation to maintain. They will never publish anything that's not thoroughly proven by hundreds, even thousands of users. So, this is obviously not a sham. But will it work for you? Even if it helps everyone else, maybe your snoring problem is somewhat different. That's a nagging question, isn't it? Maybe you've already spent a fortune on nasal and throat sprays, mouthpieces, and headbands. Maybe you've even unsuccessfully undergone a snoring surgery, and you're burned. I understand, not just from my own experience, but also from thousands of emails I've received throughout the years. People who have tried everything under the sun to cure their snoring, and nothing has helped till they gave the easy stop snoring exercises a go. Like Kevin, who sent me this email. Christian, want to let you know the snoring program has worked for me using the 3-minute version. It is really amazing, as I have been a heavy snorer as long as I can remember. Your ad almost sounded too good to be true, but I have no regrets. Thank you, Kevin T., Ohio. That's why we're today 100% guaranteeing you'll cure your snoring within a week. That's right. Order the program today and try the exercises for yourself. Test every step in the program. You'll most likely experience an immediate difference tonight. But it may also take a few days, maybe even a week. But if you're not 100% satisfied with the results, just shoot us a quick email and our in-house customer service team will refund you on the spot. No questions asked. Because we want you to be our next success story, like Salim, who sent us this message. Snoring stopped after 2 days. Works like a champ. I was amazed how after just 2 days of the program, doing only 4 exercises, snoring has stopped. Since I do not snore anymore, I even forget to do it every day. Thank you so much. Salim Kaka, Nebraska. But we're taking this even further. Because for a few people, curing their snoring takes a little longer. We're extending our 100% no questions asked money-back guarantee to 60 days. That means you can thoroughly test the program for a whole 2 months before you decide if you're happy with it. Then you'll also be 100% sure that the results are permanent. And with Blue Heron Health News, you'll get a refund with a smile. As if that wasn't enough, you don't even need to return the program. Since it's downloaded online, delivering it costs us very little. So even if you get a refund, keep the program for later, just in case you ever want to give it a second go. But you're not going to need a refund once you experience the same long-term results Kevin shared with us in his second email. Snoring exercises still working after 1 year. Hi, Christian. My name is Kevin T., and I ordered your program last year. I am still very impressed with the results. Thank you, Kevin T., Ohio. And then the burning question. If you're happy with the program, how much will this cost you? The key word here is, of course, happy, because if you're not happy, you pay nothing. But to completely cure your snoring, what is that worth? Well, people are paying $3,500 for snoring surgery. That seldom works in the long haul. So I guess a definite cure for snoring is worth at least $3,500. CPAP machines used for sleep apnea and extreme snoring go for a similar price, ranging from $500 to $3,500. But who really desires sleeping with an oxygen machine every night if it's avoidable? A 1-year supply of nasal and mouth spray will be somewhere between $200 and $300. You can try more types of nasal strips, mouthpieces, jaw bands, and God knows what other gadgets, each ranging from $20 to $200. So you can burn some serious cash fast if you want. Based on this analyst, our accountants recommended we price the Stop Snoring Exercise program somewhere between $200 and $500. After all, that's just a fraction of what other solutions cost you, and they're not guaranteed to work like our exercises. But that's not the price you pay today. I think you've realized by now that money is not my driving force. helping you overcome your snoring is. So today, you're not paying $3,000, $500, $200, or even $100. In fact, what I'd like most is to give everything away for free. With the high costs of creating, publishing, and promoting a program like this, that's not possible. And I'm sure that the cost is not really your main concern. The only thing that really matters is that you experience the same results as our other customers, like Dawn, Arnie, and Anita. I finally convinced him to practice your simple exercises. I used to dread to go to bed in the same room with my husband because I knew it would be another irritating night listening to his snoring. But after I finally convinced him to practice your simple exercises, he stopped snoring within a week. What a pleasure it is to be able to fall asleep in his arms again. Don Young, California. I have completely stopped snoring. My wife has moved back into the bedroom, and I have completely stopped snoring after a week of training. Great! Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Arnie and Anita Freyed, Sweden. Tonight, you and your spouse are going to sleep in total peace and quiet. That's right. In just a few moments after you decide to take the leap of faith and order the Stop Snoring Exercises program, you're going to be taken immediately to the membership page. There, I'll take you by your hand and lead you through the simple steps of reading the simple instructions on how to diagnose your snoring, picking the right exercises, and performing them to perfection, following either the written directions or audios. The total time from now until you're done with the first set of the snoring and sleep apnea exercises is under 12 minutes. If you've any questions, concerns, or problems, hit the Contact Us link at the top and bottom of every page of this site. And the highly trained in-house customer service team at Blue Heron Health News will immediately resolve it. Their great support team is one of the main reasons I decided to go with Blue Heron. This guarantees you'll have the same results as Darren. Snoring stopped on day 1. Hi, Christian. After only 1 day of exercising my tongue, my snoring has stopped. Unbelievable. My partner is absolutely stunned. She has not had a good night's sleep for 12 months, and for the last week since enrolling, she has had coma-style sleeps. I can't thank you enough for your help. It has changed my life and made both my partner and I very happy. I will continue doing the exercises for the rest of my life as they are very simple and very quick. Thank you once again. I don't know how to ever thank you enough. Kind regards, Darren Perryman, Australia. So you'll do the 3-minute exercises within 12 minutes from now. Then the wait begins, because you're going to be so excited about going to sleep tonight and seeing what happens. If your snoring is cured overnight, celebrate. But keep at it for at least a week or two to make sure your snoring does not reappear. If you still snore a little tonight, repeat the same exercises tomorrow. They only take 3 to 5 minutes, so no big deal. And then comes the moment your spouse says, "Darling, you didn't snore at all last night." Can you imagine how you're going to feel? How liberating it will be? Just think of all the tension this will relieve, all the shame and frustration you'll be free of, something that has probably been bugging you for years. Are you ready to grab your new life? Then click the order button below, or do you want to think about it? Yes, you can wait, and you'll lose yet another night of restful sleep. Can you really bear that when you know you could be snore-free tonight? Can you bear to put your partner through the agony of another sleepless night? Can your partner put up with another sleepless night? It's not just annoying, it's life-threatening. Can you do this to yourself and your partner when you know your snoring could be cured tonight? Like Mark did. Closest thing to a miracle that I have ever experienced. I purchased your program last month, and it is the closest thing to a miracle that I have ever experienced. I am amazed at how effective it is. My wife is eternally grateful. Mark Hanna, Florida. Haven't you suffered enough? Take action now and invest a few minutes to completely cure your snoring overnight. Even if you're busy this moment, you can use the exercises anytime. So order them now and do them whenever you want. You're taking absolutely no risk since the results are 100% guaranteed. All you have to decide is how much it's worth to you to permanently cure your snoring and sleep apnea tonight. And the great customer service team at Blue Heron Health News is just itching to help you if you have any issues. It all starts with a single click on the order button below. Oh, and how's my wife doing? Thanks for asking. She has been so happy ever since I stopped snoring. and amazingly, all the irritations and fights between us are gone. 15 years have passed, and we've had 2 sons since the trip to Australia. In fact, our younger son was born 9 months later. Oh, hey! And now we're looking forward to becoming grandparents together one day. We sometimes joke about the times we were ready to divorce over the smallest issues, just because we were so tired. When you're sleep deprived and wasted, the tiniest things get blown out of proportion. Just like a good night's sleep makes every day brighter. What a great life together we would have thrown away. How will your life change once snoring stops trashing it? How will it be different? What will you do differently? Are you ready to wake up refreshed and happy every morning and share a smile with your lovely partner? To go through the whole day full of energy and joy? And to go to sleep every night relaxed without dreading that snoring and sleep apnea will ruin yet another good night's sleep? Is it worth it to spend 3 minutes of simple exercises today to gain that life and say goodbye to snoring forever? If the answer is yes, then please don't wait another minute. Click the order button below now. Still thinking about it? Okay, let's look at what a few other ex-snorers say about the stop snoring and sleep apnea exercises. Snoring cured after just 1 night of doing the exercises. I am Mark Owen. My wife was getting very upset with my snoring. She was wearing earplugs, and even with that, she was kept awake by my snoring. I tried sprays. They worked sometimes. I tried nose strips. I was so upset with the results. If I snored a little, she moved to the other end of the bed. If I snored a lot, she went to the couch. I was embarrassed. After 1 day of doing these exercises, the next morning, she was still sleeping in the bed the right way. It's been 3 nights, and she says I may snore a little once I fall asleep, but I soon stop. Mark Oven, Florida. Seeing an immediate reduction in my snoring. Dear Christian, I have just begun your Stop Snoring program. I've been trying several of the exercises, and I'm seeing an immediate reduction in my snoring. I have snored for years, and it's taken its toll on my personal relationship and family. I just went through a sleep study and was diagnosed with severe sleep apnea. I'm hesitant to even consider any surgery, and I hate to think about sleeping with a machine. This is also affecting my blood pressure. Rob Pace, Florida. Now sleeping without the noises that used to scare myself. Hi, Christian. I'm very thrilled to how efficient your program has helped me. I can sleep without noises that used to scare myself. With just a few exercises already helped it to stop. I'd just like to tell you how wonderful your program is, and I'm sure it helps a lot more people out there. Best regards, Ika Sunardo, New Zealand. I didn't snore at all. Hi, Christian. It is almost 7 days since using your exercises. There is a definite improvement in my snoring. On last Sunday, I slept for 3 hours during the day after lunch. My children and wife said that I didn't snore at all. As I wake up in the morning, I found that there is a noticeable improvement in the dryness of mouth. With regards, Anup Kumar, India. Sleep apnea completely cured. Dear Mr. Goodman, I am sending to you this email to let you know the results obtained by my husband with the excellent exercises program created by you. He started to do the exercises 10 days ago, and we cannot believe what happened because he was suffering from sleep apnea. But now he does not snore anymore, and I believe that the sleep apnea is gone since he sleeps peacefully all night. The doctor prescribed him the use of the CPAP machine, but he could not tolerate that device. He tested 3 different models, but no one was good for him. We thank you for your help, and we are very happy that we find your, sincerely, Juan and Faye Cancillo. Snoring and sleep apnea cured in a week. Having suffered from snoring and mild sleep apnea that have been getting more serious for longer than my wife cares about, I decided to try your program. It took me a week to get significant results, but then my wife announced that I had neither snored or stopped breathing during the prior night. Since then, neither the snoring or the dreaded sleep apnea have returned. Steve Naughton, New Mexico. Snoring permanently cured. Dear Christian, I hope that you remember me as we exchanged emails a few months ago. I would like to inform you that I have been practicing for 5 months using the 3-minute program, and I had very good results. Snoring stopped after the first 2.5 weeks, and I've not snored since. Thank you, Amy Jones, Greece. Snoring 100% cured. Since I started your snoring program this past Monday, I am now 100% completely cured. Your program saved my marriage and my life. I now look forward to sleeping at night. Thank you, Brian Shuffler, California.